So, Michael, I wanted to talk to you about the cost of doing business. That's an age-old kind of conversation that we have, in our shop and amongst with different third parties that come into it. What is the actual cost of the repair, or what's the cost of business and factored into our overhead?
Yeah. Well, the purpose of any business is to sell its goods or services for a profit. So there's a lot of areas you can go down, paths you can go down with that. But if you want to put it in simple terms, it's a cost directly associated with that vehicle, or a cost that you wouldn't have if you didn't have that vehicle. So here's an example, and one that's often pushed back on. The pre-wash, or even the post-wash, but the pre-wash especially, where you're preparing that vehicle for a successful diagnosis and ultimately parts order and repair. If you didn't have that vehicle, you wouldn't have any costs there. You wouldn't have to pre-wash the vehicle. So there's a lot of things that get lumped in or try to get lumped in. Okay, this is just your cost of doing business. But when it comes down to it, if it's a cost that we wouldn't have if we didn't have that car, then it's definitely a cost of repair.
If you found today's tip helpful, please hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share the video. Comment below for any future suggestions.
These videos are made possible by SCRS. If you aren't currently a member, I encourage you to join. Visit scrs.com or use the link in the description below.